of seeds. In this module, you will learn about the dispersal of seeds. Well, you will be amazed to know that not always are the seeds sown by people. Many a time, seeds move away from the parent plant naturally, reach a distant place, get the proper conditions to germinate, and then grow into a new plant. This process is known as seed dispersal. So kids, you have seen how seeds move away from a parent plant naturally to a distant place. Seed dispersal is important for the proper growth of plants. Do you know why? Seeds need suitable conditions of soil, air, water, and sunlight to grow. If all the seeds fall on the ground near the parent plant, they will not get enough food, water, and sunlight to grow. So, seeds have to spread in a large area to grow well. Now you know what seed dispersal is and how important it is. The next question is how it occurs. In contrast, there are seeds of certain plants that need some agents for their dispersal. These agents can be wind, water, or animals. Let's begin with the wind. Seeds of some plants, like that of cotton, are very light and are dispersed by wind. Seeds of some plants, like that of maple, have a wing-like structure. Similarly, seeds of some plants, like that of dandelion, have hair-like projections that help them to be carried by the wind. These seeds are also carried by wind and thus dispersed. Now let's see how water helps in seed dispersal. Seeds of plants that grow in or near water bodies, like that of coconut, float on water and are carried by water to different places. Other examples of seeds that are dispersed by water include the seeds of hydrilla, lotus, and water lily. Let us see how animals act as an agent for seed dispersal. Seeds of some plants, such as that of cocklebur, are surrounded by hooks or spikes, which stick to the body of furry animals and are carried away. Some plants, like guava, have fruits with very hard seeds. These fruits are eaten by birds and animals like squirrels. The seeds are not digested and are passed out through their droppings at places distant from the parent plant. Lastly, seeds of some plants, like pea, when dry, explode and disperse on their own. This method of dispersal is known as dispersal by explosion. Beans, lady's fingers, and poppies are other examples of plants whose seeds are dispersed by explosion. Thus, these seeds get dispersed.
The life of a plant begins from a tiny seed. The seed is protected by an outer covering called a seed coat. The seed contains a small baby plant called an embryo. Conditions required for the growth of a seed are moisture, warmth, nutrient-rich soil, sunlight, good quality seed. Once these conditions are satisfied, the seed begins to grow. And to search for more food and nutrients from the soil.